Enlist aircraft's characteristics and explain in detail with sketch. Types of propulsion, size of aircraft, minimum turning radius, minimum circling radius, speed of aircraft, capacity of aircraft, aircraft weight and wheel configuration, jet blast, fuel spillage and noise. First one is the type of propulsion. Propulsion means the engine. The size of aircraft, its circling radius, speed characteristic, weight characteristics, noise means will depend upon the propulsion of the aircraft. Based on that, three types of propulsion: piston engine, turbojet and rocket. Size of aircraft include the dimension such as the wingspan, fuselage length, height, wheelbase and tail width. Wingspan decide the width of the taxiway, separation clearance between the two parallel runway, apron, hangar and the width of hangar gate. Length of the aircraft decide the widening of taxiway on curve of exit taxiway, size of apron and hangar. Then height of aircraft decide the height of the hangar gate, miscellaneous installation inside the hangar. Then after minimum turning radius decide the radius of taxiway on which that the aircraft is enter and exit or the hold. That path of the aircraft decide the radius of the taxiway. How to find the minimum turning radius? A line drawn through the axis of nose gear when it is maximum angle of rotation. The point where the line intersect other line drawn to the axis of two main gears is called the center of rotation. Minimum circling radius decide the which the aircraft can take turn in a space. Also, radius depend upon the types of aircraft, air traffic volume and the weather condition. The weight of the aircraft directly influence the structural requirement. That means the thickness of runway, taxiway, apron and hangar. It's also not depend only on the weight of passenger, baggage, cargo, fuel, its carrying capacity, the structural weight, but also on the fuel which is continuously decreasing during the course of the flight. Aircraft capacity, the number of passenger, baggage, cargo and the fuel that can be accommodated in the aircraft depend upon the capacity of aircraft. Noise generated by the aircraft create the problem in making decision on layout and the capacity. Also affect the surrounding communities and the other industries, so we can find out the essential layout of the airport.